In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a link in bio page using Wix. Whether you're looking to enhance your online presence or simplify the way your followers engage with your content, a link in bio page can be an incredibly useful tool. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, make sure you're at wix.com. You'll need to have an account and be logged in to get started. So go ahead and open up your preferred web browser, type in wix.com, and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're on the website, locate the section that says Design Site. This is where we'll begin creating your link in bio page. Click on the Design Site button to enter the Wix editor. Now that we're in the editor, our focus shifts to the left-hand side of the page. You'll see an option labeled Pages and Menu. Click on that. This section is essentially your site's navigation hub and will allow you to manage the different pages of your website effectively. After clicking Pages and Menu, the next step is to add a new item to your menu. Simple enough, right? You'll see a button that says Add Menu Item. Go ahead and click it. This is where we're going to set up your new page for your link. It's specifically designed to make it quick and easy to add content and links without much fuss. With the menu option open, you're going to select Link. This section allows you to redirect visitors to external websites, create smooth navigation within your site, or in this case, set up an efficient link in bio page. By selecting Link, a window pops up prompting you to enter your URL. This URL can be any site you want to direct traffic to, whether it's your latest blog post, merchandise store, or your social media profiles. Now, after entering the URL, you can customize how this link appears on the page. Choose a memorable title for your link that is simple yet descriptive, something that will immediately make sense to your viewers. Once you're satisfied with everything, make sure to hit Save. This action updates your site with the new information and ensures that the changes you've made are live and ready to be used by anyone visiting your profile. That's it. You've successfully created a link in bio page using Wix. Remember, the beauty of a link in bio page is its adaptability. Feel free to revisit and adjust the content as your needs evolve. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your online presence. Happy creating!